brush. I would definitely recommend getting your eyebrows done beforehand, either threading or waxing. I just find that by doing this you get a better appearance. So I'm using Dip Down by MAC on my eyebrows. I really love the consistency of this product. It's really dark. I love my eyebrows really dark, so I think it works perfect for me. And what I really like about it as well, to me anyway, it's smudge proof. It dries really well on the eyebrow and it doesn't actually smudge throughout the day. And the brush that I'm using to fill in my eyebrows is called a 263 brush by MAC, and it's a small angle brush. Now I'm using the Vintinelli concealer palette to highlight under my brow bone. Ideally your concealer is meant to be 1 to 2 shades lighter. I like this colour for me because I find that it really conceals and it really gives me a nice highlight beneath my brow bone. Don't be alarmed at the brightness. Remember that you are going to blend it in later, so it's fine for it to be a little bit whiter.